for the introduction. Hi everyone. Today I will introduce a new operational strategy for full supply at biogas plants. And yes, let's go. The problem in the full supply on site is, while the biogas production is almost constant, the fuel consumption is discontinuous. This temporal discrepancy results with common plant operation in very large biogas storage demand. And a new approach can solve this problem, a hybrid mode at biogas plants with fuel and power production.
Sorry, Fatih, can you just... we have a new problem because you have something open. Yes, now it's better. Please close the timeline or the thing on the left side. Thank you.
Okay, of course. Okay. Yes, a new approach can solve this problem, and you can operate the CHP adapted to the full demand, and then you can smooth the peaks. See the illustration below from left to right. And yes, this is called the full-let CHP operation. And I used for the evaluation electricity prices from Apex and refueling data of power fleet operators. And the figure below shows the fluctuative fuel consumption profiles for each vehicle fleet. To determine the CHP hours with optimized electricity prices, I use the price ranking method. And as the reference operation, I use the usual flexible CHP at biogas plants. They have constant 12 available hours per day. And for my new approach with the full-let CHP operation, it varies from the full demand. It varies between 1 to 24 hours per day, depending on the full demand on this day. And the full-let, the study was investigated for a model biogas plant. They had 500 kilowatt CHP output and around 5,600 biogas storage capacity. And the average full production capacity is 60 cubic meter biomethane per hour. And the biogas is used 50% for electricity and 50% for fuel production. And yes, here's the table with the results. This shows the biogas storage capacity demand with full supply at biogas plant, and depending on the vehicle fleet. And with the usual operation on biogas plants, with electricity-led CHP operation, the storage demand is very huge, especially in the agricultural full supply. With the new approach, full-let CHP operation, you can approximately save 75% against to the reference usual operation. And you have no need on additional biogas storage demand. And yes, as a takeaway, I can say with the full-let CHP operation and biomethane filling station with no additional biogas storage demand is possible. Also for very strong fluctuation full supply like an agricultural fleet. That was. Thanks for the attention.
Fatih, thank you very much for this nice presentation. The storage is a very important aspect, the storage of gas and the equalizing of the demand.